Hello students, today we will discuss class 11th maths exercise 2.1. So yesterday we have discussed about the Cartesian product and we have given the equation number first, that if this and this x upon 3 plus 1 y minus 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 and 1 upon 3, find the value of x and y. Clear? So we will solve this question. So now we have a question this. So we know that this is we have arranged them as an ordered pair. So the position of the first ordered pair is x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to, we can write it as 5 upon 3, and y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. So finally we have x upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 3 minus 1, x upon 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 upon 3. Similarly we can write as it is as second one is that y is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3, and y is equal to, the LCM is 3 and this is 3. Similarly in this case also x upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. So 3 to 3 cancel out, x is equal to 2. In second one y is equal to 3 to 3 cancel out 1. So finally we get the value of x and y. Now we move to the question number 2. Now in question number 2 we have given if x has 3 elements. So A has 3 elements. So in question number 2 we have given the number of elements in set A is 3 and the number of elements in set B we have also 3. Clear? So we have to find the total number of elements in A cross B. What we have to find? The number of elements in A cross B. So we know the formula. If n containing, suppose n A containing P and n B containing Q, then n A cross B containing P into Q. Clear? So this is our formula. Okay. So how many elements in A? 3. And how many elements in B? Also 3. So n A cross B is equal to 3 into 3. So our answer is 9. Clear? So n A cross B is equal to 9. This is your answer. Okay. Now next question, third question we have given that G is equal to 7,8, H is equal to 5, 4, 2. So we have to find G cross H and H cross G. So question number 3. So G is given to us 7,8, H is given to us 5, 4 and 2. Clear? So yesterday I have explained you how to find the Cartesian product of given question. Clear? So we can find out, first of all we have to find G cross H. G cross H. So first of all 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, we have now 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2 and this. Clear? Next I have to find out the H cross G. H cross G. So we have to find, first we have to write H 5, 7, then 5, 8, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7 and 2, 8. This is the Cartesian product. Clear? Okay, now we have given in question number 4. In question number 4, state whether each of the following statements are true and false. If the statement is false, rewrite the statement and correct it. So we have given P. If P m comma n and Q is, we have given n comma m again, it is m comma n, it is n comma m. So the product of this, so we know that the product of, so in question number 4 we have given P is equal to m comma n and Q is n comma n also. So P, we have to find P cross Q. So P cross Q is first of all m comma n, m comma m, n comma n and n comma m. Clear? So in this case, what this is, these two terms are missing. Clear? So that is the answer of this first question, that statement is false. Clear? And correction is, we can correct in Cartesian product m comma m and n comma n are missing. Clear? Okay. The next question we have, second part of this question. Second part, if A and B are non-empty set, then A cross B is non-empty set of orders pair xy such that, okay, yes, this is the definition of the Cartesian product. A and B are non-empty set. A and B two non-empty set means उसमें कोई भी elements नहीं है. Then A cross B is non-empty set of orders pair x comma y. Yes, if we have some elements in A, suppose that x, and element in B in y, so in orders pair we can write them x comma y. This is the definition of Cartesian product. अगर A में कोई एलिमेंट है जो x है एंड B में एलिमेंट है y, तो हम उसे x कॉमा y की फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. नाउ द थर्ड इज, इफ A इज इक्वल टू दिस, B इज इक्वल टू दिस, देन A क्रॉस B इंटरसेक्शन इज phi. ओके, सो वी हैव नॉन एम्प्टी सेट. क्लियर? सो वी हैव गिवन द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ नॉन एम्प्टी सेट, सो द रिजल्ट इज ऑल्सो एम्प्टी सेट. सो इफ वी आर फाइंडिंग द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट of any non-empty set with the empty set, so the result will be empty set. Clear? Means B में कुछ elements हैं लेकिन उसका intersection आप एक null set के साथ निकाल रहे हैं. Clear? तो क्या होगा, आपके पास आंसर आएगा null set, यानी उसमें कोई भी element नहीं है. अगर आप इसमें कोई भी elements नहीं है तो उसका आप A के साथ कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट निकालते हैं तो आपका आंसर phi आएगा. Clear? That statement is also true. Clear? So this question up to class up to question number 4. Now try to find out the answer of 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? In my next video I will discuss few more example and then we move to the relation and the relation about the relation and then we move to the function. Clear?